Ali mamen ko 29th July na so. Okay. Asem we ya America nya asem America for fame. But I asem America sre Ghana sofo nyina. Ade Ghana sunsum sofo nyina ne wana waji sunsum ni tumi di wa Ghana nyina me di nyame di nsramo. Me di onyankopon mo buro ho esramo asre Awurade tumi hye asem ya America enye for fame. Asem ya America enye for fame. But he can't the professional to abontain dada. And a friend manya kwanya me breaking yamakitu be down. I am calling on men of God. Our more Ghana I'm sorry. Ali on the 29th. With him adia mebe kan nanke si last week. Hey. Yes. Dia mebe kan no nanke si last week. And now for one or two reasons onyame hu yamobo na ade na ensi. Na omo di ade na kwa kwhye on the 29th of July. From any moment from now to 29 July, a possible say between happen. I am calling on all men of God. A CrûśH for muchira comment di atem no munchire ni atem nyina. I am calling on everybody. Say dia me ba be kano. A conditional message na me de ba bonten. So we can do something about it. Na me kwama ho ade ntimi nyanti na man hye me dem. Ama ba bonten sra dudu ompae. Ali, there is going to be a plane crash in Ghana. The first time in the history of Ghana. There is going to be a plane crash Kumasi to Accra or Accra to Kumasi. That route, no. Till 29th July. Until 29th of July 2025. If prayer is not being made, last week, the last week of April, no, and Anankashadi Nisi. And Boamah full play from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. They will testify to what I am saying. Ali, last week I already favor. And yes, sir, nanka a plane from Kumasi to Accra. Nanka kwa shiwono. I'm telling you. Now, that day, no, I was with my prayer team and we were praying. Nsoto. Last week in Soto gidi pa. Saturday Soto no. And so na to a to for a reason. A danu nyame ne hu yamobo. Anka pray kibenya the fact kebe record this ade en kesi twam. Na no nansi no ade na carry forward ko yanim. And the CrûśH for mompae. Aso for mompae wo de ogina sorry dem a fire prayer point say prophet be wo de don't believe menje me ndi wo de me personality no fa me to nchen but fa ne say prophet be a yanyini ni ye fa ne say me kura me bodam ni ana me konfo. Let's take it like that. Say bikram your bon some hunipa mejitum fanis I can do obeka. But the young sha some na make the message. They just one word. Ali, if we don't pray as a nation, I am not the biamika she me say obi kwa class ma obi a she envelope mu dia ma. But when we speak, we don't expect anything from obia. I don't you know me start me say I am not saying this for fame, but a very dangerous and ahead of us. Ali, a police for wo adwira ekwan so atebubu ekwan so a highway pa Ali every na Monday copy next 2 weeks Friday omonyere bambom there is going to be a very big robbing case pa ombe stop cars wo kwan so robo wo pa every na copy the next 2 weeks Friday Yaji atebubu kwan so Ali last week Sunday video no wa TikTok obi abetimi akoseche no awe de me be kan me ya sorry shanam ade bi asi osofo brono na mbodi ni ya hemfa de asi wo central region no Winnipeg yes me kan ya kan no a number o TikTok o ni streaming live omo mu follow me nyina di dance asi I was saying, see me, no. Baba couldn't be a serious young Woshia, and ye can't last number a petrol tanker, and the car be saying the last number is 17. I mean, make cut the car no number, and I'm saying, no need yet. See, but afternoon, I see no, I sing for soup. Springtime, you know, say, Benya accident, this week, next week, and with young one home pie. Ali, we are ready to speak for the nation. But me, the any say, I can't say, we any pano aboye. And yes, I am not saying chef from me kwasha with them. Na ma me brown envelope and I say, Ali by his grace, and on birthday you were there. Me check out do I say, Makumako 5. By his grace, a common yen. So we don't speak because of say we being fire and question them now home 100 cities. And ya nuntia, but we are speaking for the nation. Adia assembly yatna Angel FM. Ali, adia ni yatna u program we show Angel FM. Akafa Ghana ho emblem. Debi. Ali, but when we speak, people will attack your personality. Now, Jimmy for near Jasham Neda ho. But when it dear, Mr. Christopher, Yanum Cramofo, Nananum Samafo ne, a confonina, Jamon Pie, Southern and Yumbe Ginedin. Nanka your mind be a tear do your make a year. Cadano crank a stop in maybe. Oh, don't pay a basic one, Yemsa and Yajuma. But I do baby a my and G and Winnie Baby. Now no me no penny be share me money do a penny cashier pa our gun how was antimemo. I say some now ko kaya. About them ni be catch them. Now Obama ni no mo so mo manema. No but then in be can say. E me che wasem no me obi de oyi ni Sunday me a me hu ya na me ko ajanan so. Me tie ajanan so nyina na me hwe. Na me ensa na afa me yam. So for me dance ni. Nipa na me kan asem ni nya ordinary nipa beat so wo de what watch the comment eh dia tem at least you know the kind of personalities are no more me dem ho ahimfuni mu atetiru ni abrempon adefo nyame esra mo omo ne ka asem mutie omo hunu di onyame de yen ye ali 29th of July there is a danger coming for Ghana but ye betimi aye bibia si ho kwan den yenye ali yenyira ye mompaye we nya kwankere we nya se yenkoye ye mompaye na yes say we go Bible say when Yankopon ewiemu nya ne sachrana we infra radio onso bo no ma de ya no ne nya baye ye wo wiemu atumfo ho no mo contrast asi ado na ma 2024 election a omo ye rituals ni nyama bi akokɔ so ane mi petumi me fa wo ne de besinsi de ya ne so da hyɛ nya tumi me kan ye to aba ne be kan me shankom kasha mahama benya election no oba winning with this point MPP be lose with this point me can wa fidie we so echi no prophecy be na aka emba but we na say after election no yanim anya kura afi we na ye wo no abosome mi ansa pe na e papa wo de di kan ye May de toso mi enu e August de twa November ye yisa no bosome mi ansa we free 12 months ni mu a de aka nyina ye yone sisubio May, August, and November. I don't know ya busumi mi ansa eye na even kra May we woman omo try some back class ni ma bi o May we say
woman no ye hwan mu
ewiema atumfo the principalities
demons ahodo
ali the principalities omo na osoro ni asase no magye afo ba ye de say ye ketua bi enema akoso Ghana na ali enwo anano be kan asem si e mompema South Africa Ghana for wo ma be ka asem se mo mpema la o ma Ghana for wo London ma be ka asem se mo mpema ya my Ghana sa wo wa ni yesunsum ni a wonam na nipa asira woni se nipa mobo ahonhom ni ye bibia se o my Ghana bibi besi na president Muhammad abeda so ana se sebi o yewura ote kokko so na ebi adin dia be bata ho ana se ye po obi o wadin bi na adin dia be bata ho obi ani mu ho hwe
blame game na
Obiani Moshe Ali, baby, let's do away with politics. Now you're really your mind, because without MPP, your honor, without NDC, your honor, I don't tell you, me, Mamma Kassawa, Massama making an answer, will be a washame. Now, what hear me, Mumma, your mom, Paya Magana. Mama ya mompa magana. Let's pray for our country. On my way say ya braba say. On my way say ya liba bibefa. On my way say ya juma say. On my say ya mama no be mobo. On my say ya mama mobo. And uchi mama ya nsole ni mompa 29th July. 29th July. 29th July. Aya da bone mo man no. Ti ya mompa. Na unyami ohuni pa mobo. Obe hu ya mobo. Ni sira dodo mompa. Ali, obi a de obehu video we bia o de bia no ka se urade ji oman mai just one word onyame hu yamabo ayaden a wo yi abonefo no firi mu a obenya nipa bi o mo ka se to nyankopon akoma so ko yo nipa bi o mo ka se ma to urade akoma so e bia na wa wo hwe mo ka ho bi anu nti ka se ma urade ntie